Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to get different colors for your text in your Instagram story. For this, I've already made a black story and now you want to type in your text. Let's say rainbow color, like this. Okay, let's get it a bit bigger. Okay, and now let's say we want to use different colors for the text. What you want to do is click it and then select all the text like this. And then you want to click on the color scheme here. Now it gets difficult. With one hand, you hold down on any color like this. And here, as you can see, the color of the text changes. Then you just want to hold down your finger on the color that you want to start with. And then with the other finger, you slowly begin to drag it to the left while you adjust the colors like this. And then you let go with the last one like that. And now you can see we have rainbow colors. Okay, that was a little hack on how to get different colors for your text in your Instagram story. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.